is one of the largest chapters in North America. It is the only nationally recognized accreditation for the type of work we do. You know, in Texas, there's no licensure for contractors. In fact, you can go down to your local city government and fill out a form and then start building houses or remodeling them. Our North Texas chapter is actually raising this standard of construction, the knowledge contractors have about how to run jobs, how to best communicate with clients, and just how to run a better business so that the clients ultimately get a better product at the end of the day. NARI North Texas is raising that standard in a noticeable way in the DFW area, and it's very exciting to be a part of that.